Deep within the tropical forests of Panama, asterisk an invisible world unfolds asterisk. Beneath the shadows, where moisture gives life, mushrooms quietly emerge. They are the architects of the soil, the guardians of the life cycle, and the key to the survival of entire ecosystems. And as the world moves forward, they continue transforming our planet, one spore at a time. Welcome to nature's final frontier, the mushrooms of Panama, asterisk where life is reborn, in what most will never see asterisk.